Why hello my peeps, freaks, geeks, and people with beaks. I don't know, I just made that up a couple days ago and I thought it'd be funny. So, I had to re-download this because I was having technical difficulties. I've tried to record this 15 times, so... Oh god, that's beautiful. Wow, wow. Okay. Can you, like, download? Yeah, I'm gonna... Okay, it's done. So, I'm removing you. Who even... Yeah, who is that? Remove from comb. There. Can you go away? My mouse glitchy now. Okay, anyways. Oh. So yeah, I was gonna get into that. Okay, no, we're gonna get into this later. Where are the... Here we go. HDDYD. Where are the packs? All cursor collections. No, I don't want to play a game. Editor picks, there we go. There's the cute collection. And if you scroll down... Oh god. Shaky. One like is one chapstick for Shigaraki. Right? Meow. Sounds like meow. Can you stop it? This guy makes it so you can't scroll. Freaking kill you. I can't. What happened to all the other editor picks? Okay, I'm getting pretty annoyed now. Cause the anime ones are right there. So I'm pretty annoyed. They don't have going on there, but they freaking Shigaraki and Peppa Pig. Cursor packs. Cause I clicked on editor picks. On packs. There. Anime is not a cartoon. Anyways. So yeah, these two are the cursors. This one is what my friend had, and I saw that. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I wanted my own cursors. So yeah, I found this, and apparently she used the same one. Let's just add all the ones I had before. Dun, 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 dun. So wait. Okay, so this. I tried to record this like 5 times prior to this. Okay, there we go. Don't know how I didn't notice that these guys were at the top, but I noticed you. Cause like I was just looking at the middle and then I saw the guitar, I was like, that he's really cute, I wanna know. Sir Vamp. I also wanna try Dragon Maid. Do you guys know where I can watch that? So yeah, there's Attack on Titan. Armin. Yes, Psyche's brother. Oh. Dragon Maid. You guys can't see where I'm pointing, but obviously if I put my mouse on there. Oh, they have Yagami. No. Frick. So, prior to this, I had a Patrick Star. You know, the evil Patrick Star meme? My question was answered. Damn, Full Metal Alchemist. Oh my god. Dude, all my questions are being answered. Get it all. Also, is Inuyasha any good? Saki. Urza. Miku. Leek. Is she a Psyduck? Buke. Natsu Lucy. Attack on Titan. Eren. Kyungu. Kaneki. So yeah. Okay. Extensions, let's pin this. Is it gonna work? Please? Yeah, it wasn't working earlier, so I don't expect it to work now. But I don't, because I'm too lazy. Alright. Hunter x Hunter. There's not gonna be any surprises in there. It's obviously just gonna be Hunter x Hunter. 7 Deadly Sins. I love the show. So yeah, wait, 272. Oh yeah, there's all these. Oh, who's that? That's JoJo. Yep, I can tell that style from a mile away. Hey, Bokuto. Derry. Elizabeth. I'm just gonna look at the faces and see if I can guess the names. Is that Bubbles? What? What? Oh, that's Illumi. I didn't even see him. Oh, that's a Biscuit. Bisky, what? That's her buff arm. Sakura, the Goku, Totoro, Natsu. They have Tainaka. Potato Girl. Potato Girl, yes. Oh, Danganronpa, Nieji. His first name is Isaac? It's Kochi Yukai, Data, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Kiba! Akamaru! Evans. I forgot. Ida, Light Yagami, Waikawa, Apple Bottom, Boruto, Midnight. Wait, is her name? Is her name 02? Is it? Yes. I need you. Yes. Favorite Yamaguchi and French fries. Yes. Don't judge me, okay? Okay, let's test these out. Okay, where are the cursors that I got? How to use. What? Okay, no. Can I just look at the ones I have, please? That's how you worked earlier. Options. Did it work? You can use images. Oh. Can I turn my face into a cursor? I'm getting ideas. More cursors. Yeah, let's just look at that. Yeah, that's what I've been doing the entire time. No. Yeah, that's my cursor. Oh, shit. I thought that was the llama from... whatchamacallit, Beast Stars. But it's just Shira. Oh my god. Look at my little, whatchamacallit, freaking Ogami. Okay, so this is a review. This thing is high quality. It makes your cursor glitch out. It's still fun. Your cursor will just like glitch out a little bit, but it's still good. Dude, there's so many. Dude. I didn't download that. I didn't download cartoons. Okay, French fries. I love this. 10 out of 10. Good job.